Guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a free website using free domain with a free web hosting. If this is your first time here and want to learn more about computer internet applications, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. So, to create a free website, just go to freenom.com to get your free domain. Here you can search your desired domain, but guys, keep in mind that you can't get premium domains like .com, .in from here. Instead of those, you can get these domains listed below. So I am searching the how to world. Here it is. It's showing these available domains here. Guys, I have already got this .ml domain. So right now I am getting this .tk domain by clicking Get It Now button from here for demonstration purpose. Now simply click on checkout from here. Now select period as a 12-month because it's free till 12 months. Then click on continue. Now you can proceed with these two options. Right now I am going to log in from my Google account. If you are choosing the same, then click on sign in. After login to your account, click on services, then click on my domain. Here you can see we have our free domain listed here. So now we need free web hosting to host this free website. For that, just go to this website called app.infinityfree.net. Sign up for free from here. So after creating your account, just go to your email ID and check for the verification email. Now click on verify email address. It will automatically redirect you to the website. Now click on new account. Now enter your domain here. Then copy and paste these two name servers in your domain name server setting. So copy this name server from here and go to your domain name provider's website. Now click on manage. Then click on management tools. Then click on name servers. Now click on use custom name servers, then copy paste those two name servers here and simply click on change name servers. Now go back to infinity.net website and just click on create account. Now click on open control panel, then click on approve. Now we need to install WordPress on our website. So search here for Softculus app installer and just click on it. Now click on WordPress. Check your domain, is it correct or not. Put your site name and description from here. Set your admin account username and password from here, which will be used to log in your WordPress account. Now go down and select your theme according to your needs and just click on install. After installing WordPress, just go to your website. Look, our website is live with our selected theme. So to edit this website using WordPress, just add /wp-admin here and press enter. After login to your WordPress account, you'll see this kind of dashboard. So guys, this is how we can create a website using free domain and a free web hosting service. That's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you want to see such more videos like this, then do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.